Gaspard from LaCie. It's NAB 2018 and we are here and very proud to announce the last son of the rugged generation, which is the LaCie Rugged Raid Pro. So this is the new iteration of our Rugged Raid, so it's 10% smaller. It features USB-C for universal connectivity as well as a SD card reader. So when you connect this product to a brand new MacBook Pro, for instance, you can directly connect an SD card inside the product and the content will be automatically copied from the SD card inside the drive. You basically have two drives inside and they can be configured either in RAID 0 or RAID 1, meaning that you can go up, if you configure them in RAID 0, you can go up to 250, even 270 megabytes per second, as shown on this graph here. Or for safety, you can configure them in RAID 1, meaning that you can resist one drive failure. So if you are shooting content on the field, you configure it in RAID 1, and basically you use this drive as a shuttle that you deliver to other places, and you can be confident in the fact that this drive and the content will definitely be safe because the content is duplicated between the two drives.
Video Guys is available Monday through Friday. Give us a call at 1-800-323-2325. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter to stay connected with all of our updates. And you can like us on Facebook. Keep an eye out for our live videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.